Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a drop-down menu on Weebly. So first we're going to need to log into our Weebly account. Then we're going to open a project. So the next thing we do is going to be doing a drop-down menu. Then we're going to click on page. So as you can see, there are about 4 objects in this site: the home, the about, the destinations, and the contact object. So you guys could shift them, you could change the places. So it's going to change the places in the site. So since we want a drop-down menu, we're going to make the one to stay there. Then we're going to click on the one next to it and move it to the right. Same with the next one. Same with the last as well. So when you guys put them to the right or shift them to the right, it's going to create a drop-down menu. So when you guys click on home at the site, it's going to give you a drop-down menu. So you guys could click on the drop-down menu and access it. So this is how you do it. It's a very simple step. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.